the Standard, you have opposition key strategy that risks causing poll crisis. That's on page 4 of the Standard. But also on the page 4 of the Standard, you have Raila's Supreme Court victory opens Pandora's box, according to lawyers. Now, remember, the number of petitions literally rose at the point where the presidential election was annulled, on the basis that it was not credible, it was not verifiable, and as a result, that is the legal threshold requirement as per the Constitution. So, of course, a number of players have gone out there, a number of those who lost have gone to court to, seek redress and find out whether there could be a change in wind and whether possibly a re-election would be held for them, or maybe a recount. As per the law, the ballot boxes are to remain sealed and closed for 3 years, and that is unless the court orders for a recount, which is currently what apparently Jubilee is pushing for, and that is on page 7. New legal battle as Uhuru team seeks a recount of votes, and that is a case that is expected to be put before the courts this coming week, according to some insiders in Jubilee Party. And you have the likes of Jubilee Party Vice Chairman David Morathe, who says that is still an option, and possibly lawyers will seek to file a judicial review next week to contest the nullification of the presidential poll, and this may be by virtue of a recount. Now, what would a recount mean? That remains to be debated and seen, because that had not been on the tables yet. But NASA had asked for a recount earlier on when they were going into the petition, but at that point, I think it was either denied or not pushed for. But now it looks like Jubilee may be asking for that recount.